Hello guys, Khalid Javid here, and today we're going to be reviewing the W-King 50-watt Bluetooth speaker with a 70-watt peak. So I picked this up from Amazon. This was about £80. Got an 8,000 mAh power bank battery. It can charge your phone and other devices. 24 hours on playtime. It's waterproof and it's got NFC for quick pairing, especially if you had an Android phone that supports NFC. So without further ado, let's get into it. So packaged up by phone. Let's flip that out. And try to pull it out. Okay, let's put the speaker to the side and let's see what accessories we get. So we have our 12-month product warranty. Okay, we've got our mini manual, user manual. Let's block it, file it to the side. And we got, I'm guessing this is the charging cable. Let's pop that out. So we got an aux cable. I believe this is about ½ meter, maybe 0.7 meters. And we got, I think this is our charging cable. Yeah, and we got our charging cable, USB-C, next gen. I'm guessing that should be pretty fast to charge. So here's the speaker itself, the big boy, the best from their range. Let's just take that out. So it does come with a strap, so you can carry it on your body, maybe across your shoulder, across your chest. And here we have the big boy himself, the W-King 50-watt Bluetooth speaker. Absolute beast. It's got a bit of weight to it. This feels about 2 kg in weight. As you can see, this is a fairly large speaker. This is my second most powerful, biggest speaker I've reviewed on this channel. Biggest one was my Anker Soundcore Infinity. That was 100 watts, but that was a soundbar speaker. So you've got a USB port, aux in, or aux out. You can pair two of these together. And you got your USB Type-C charging port. As you see, DC 5 volts in. So you can connect your phone by putting it there if it's an Android. Okay, it's really got a bit of charge, as we can see. Let me shift that down slightly. Let's power it up. Okay. Now let me pair this to my iPhone. Let's go. I think it's D8. Yeah, pairing successful. So let me play some non-copyrighted music. So hopefully when this channel gets monetized, I will not get copyright claimed out of this video. Let's play. Let's just play that. Wow, even on low volume, that's kind of loud. I get lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh,
house, it starts to end up on the brink. I tried so hard, but all these scars, they cut so deep, I bleed. I fell so fast from heaven, it's like someone clipped my wings. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe and I don't wanna die. Can we stop this gravity? 'Cause I don't wanna say goodbye.
Max volume.
I forgive the pain you gave to me so long ago. Sleepless nights I laid awake just
As we can hear, that is really loud. And whatever speaker you're listening to that's behind this, I won't do it justice. This is like really loud. The bass is amazing. In my opinion, this is a bit louder than the JBL Extreme, and there's a lot more bass, there's a lot more vocals, there's a lot more everything. This is actually really, really good, surprisingly. Like really, really good. Also, you can play and pause music from here. Quick controls. You got plus there. There's an equalizer button here. Let me check that. See the manual. Okay, so it takes 4 to 6 hours to charge. 24 hours playing time, but I believe that's at 20%. Like how it's playing now. That'll be for 24 hours. IP-X5 waterproof. Yeah, so it's got 2 woofers here, and it's got 2 tweeters here, and so it's 210. Well, there's 2 other speakers as well. I'm not sure if it's at the back or if it's at the front as well. But this was that equalizer part of this one. Oh yeah, look, short press the sound effect button to adjust sound effects. 2 to 3 seconds. But anyways, that's it for the sound test. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And peace.